Good morning children. Today we are studying social science chapter 4 climate. What is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. So what is the climate? Climate refers to the weather conditions. Climate refers to the weather conditions. Climate refers to the sum total of the weather conditions and variations for a long period, variations over a large area, climate refers to the weather conditions, sum total of the weather conditions over a large area, over a large area for a long period of time. Long period of time here means more than 30 years. More than 30 years. Once again I will explain. Climate is the sum total of the weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years, that we can call it as climate. That is called as climate. What is climate? Climate refers to the weather conditions, sum total of the weather conditions and variations over a large area for a long period. Long period here means more than 30 years. That is called the climate. Climate, suppose if we take the climate of India, we can say the climate of India, but we never say that weather of India. We will never say, because large areas of India, if it may be a country, that we can call it as climate. We can't say that is weather. Weather is different. I will explain about what is weather and what is climate. In examination we ask about what is weather, what is climate. So next we are studying about weather. First you understood about climate, next we want to study about weather. Here weather refers to the state of the atmosphere. That is important. Now weather refers to the state of the atmosphere. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere. State here means conditions, not our Indian states. Which means here means condition of the atmosphere. It means the condition of the atmosphere. Weather here means the condition of the atmosphere. What is weather? Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere or the condition of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. That is what over an area at any point of time. At any point of time. Now once again I will explain what is weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere. State here means conditions of the atmosphere, state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. At this moment, when I am talking to you, in this moment also weather may change, but climate will not change. Climate of India we can calculate more than 30 years, but weather at any point of time. At this moment also this weather may change. At this moment also, at any point of time the weather may change. Because so suppose for example, if you are if you are going to school, suppose if you want to go to school, morning and time you make everything ready. You are ready to go. You make everything ready. You get ready everything. You make everything ready, and you carry the bag. And you, when you look outside, you can understand that climate is sunny season. There is no problem. Everything is calm and quiet. You did not take the umbrella. You never take the umbrella. Why? Because you think that now the weather is good. Now the weather is good. At that moment, the weather is good. You will never take an umbrella. Why? Because you expect that today is sunny day. So you never take this umbrella. But in the evening, you understood that time raining. So rain may occur. It may rain. That time you think that, oh, I forget to take the umbrella. Why this happened? Why this happens? Because weather that changes at any point of time. That is important. At any point of time, what will change? Weather will change. Weather will change at any point of time. Now at this moment also weather may change. When I am talking to you also, sometimes rain may occur. If rain may occur in this season, rain may occur at this moment also, we can say that is nothing but the weather. Weather changes. Weather changes. You may watch a weather forecast in television. You may watch a weather forecast in television and you may understand about the weather. What is weather? Weather is the refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. At this moment also, the weather may change. Weather is different from climate. Climate for a large area, for a long period of time. That is climate. What is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere at any the state of atmosphere over an area, small area, over an area for a short period of time at any point. Otherwise, at any point of time or a short period of time. So that is weather. I hope that you understood about the weather as well as climate. Our chapter name is climate. What is climate? Define climate. Examination may ask what is climate. Define weather. Differentiate between climate and weather. Such type of questions may ask in your examination. So that you can write about climate and weather. Next we want to study about the elements of that is important. Next topic is very important. We will listen very carefully and only you will understand. Elements of weather and climate. Next topic, elements of weather, elements of weather and climate. Elements of weather and climate. Next is elements of weather and climate. What is weather? What is climate? What are the elements that may make changes in weather as well as climate? What are the elements that determines or that influence weather as well as climate? So I am going to explain. First one is the temperature. First one, temperature. Temperature. If you look temperature, you can see that temperature definitely that transforms weather as well as climate. It means the temperature influences weather as well as climate. If temperature is very high, if temperature decreases, definitely that influence weather as well as climate. Both these are weather as well as the climate. Weather as well as climate may transform or changes due to temperature. Due to temperature only, elements of weather and climate may change. Due to temperature. First one, temperature. Second one that is atmospheric pressure. What is that? Atmospheric pressure. In this atmosphere, there will be a lot of changes that happens. So if it is warm climate, humid climate, hot climate, so these kinds of changes that can happen in the atmosphere or the surface of the earth. The surface of this earth, in the surface of the earth, there are a lot of changes that happens. Sometimes that the humid climate is there, that we may say humidity, high humidity we may say. So the atmospheric pressure also influences weather as well as the climate. I hope that you understood. The elements of weather and climate, first one temperature, second one atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure that also influence weather as well as the climate. Weather as well as the climate, these changes may happen. So first one temperature, second one atmospheric pressure, and the third one wind. Third one is wind. You know that, you know very well nowadays. You know very well. Kerala is near the Arabian Sea. You know it very well. More than I, you know it very well. So Kerala is here only. This Kerala arrangement is here. In this arrangement is you know that wind is blowing towards from here. If wind blows like this in this direction, if wind blows in this direction, and this you know that the clouds, dark clouds, that will reach Kerala. So there will be due to pressure, there will be heavy rains that may occur. Why this? That time you may say that pressure that happened to Kerala, Arabian pressure that happened to Kerala, that is why we are getting this rain. Actually, this time we will not get a rain, but due to this pressure only, or due to the blowing of the wind towards the land, especially from the wind that blows to the Arabian Sea, and these dark clouds will reach Kerala, definitely the heavy rain may occur, the precipitation may occur, so that rain may occur. You understood it very well. So that wind also that changes weather and climates. Wind also the reason to influence weather and climates. What are the elements that influence weather and climate? First one, temperature. Second one, atmospheric pressure. Third one, wind. And the fourth one, humidity. Fourth one is humidity. Humidity also that influence weather and climate. Humidity also influence weather and climate. Humidity also influence weather as well as climate. Which are the elements of weather and climate? In examination we ask name the elements of weather and climate. That time you just write temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity. Then next one is precipitation. You know very well about precipitation. Precipitation. Next one is precipitation. Once again I will explain elements of weather as well as climate. First one, temperature. Temperature influences weather and climate, no doubt about it. Atmospheric pressure also influences weather and climate, no doubt about it. Wind that also influence weather and climate. Then humidity. High humidity climate is there. You may say high humidity is there. You may say like this. So high humidity also influences weather and climate. Then next was precipitation. That is rainfall. You know very well. That is precipitation. You know very well. You studied about water cycle. You studied about all these things, especially water cycle. You will learn it very well. So I am going to explain about precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but rainfall. The rainfall also determines the weather as well as the climate. Rainfall also determines weather as well as the climate. You know that which area is getting more rainfall in India? Meghalaya, Mausanram, Cherrapunji. You know very well that Meghalaya getting heavy rainfall, that especially Mausanram, Cherrapunji. So earlier Cherrapunji, now Mausanram. So Meghalaya we are getting heavy rainfall because that area is very forested area, thickly forested area. These rainforested areas will be heavy rainfall in Kerala. Kerala we are also getting enough rainfall. But in other some states they are not getting, scarcely only getting rainfall. Which are the elements of weather and climate? I am going to explain once again. Temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation. What is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at any point of time. That is weather. You know very well. What is climate? Climate refers to the average weather condition, sum total of the average weather condition over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. That is climate. What is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of weather condition over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. That we can call it as climate. Then what is weather? Weather refers to within a point of time for a short period of time, any point of time, refers to the state of that is important. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at any point of time. At any point of time in an area, at any point of time, the weather measures. Now Now I am discussing all these things. This time weather may change. Climate never change. Climate never change, but weather may change. That is why we are saying weather forecast. Before taking umbrella, we may hear the weather forecast, whether I take umbrella or not. So we want to understand all these things about weather and climate. Next topic, that is elements of weather and climate. First one is temperature, second one is atmospheric pressure, third one is wind, fourth one is humidity, and fifth one is precipitation. What is that? Precipitation. Fourth one is the precipitation. These are the elements of weather and climate. I hope that you understood about what is climate, what is weather, which are the elements of climate as well as weather. Next we want to study about the basis of this. On the basis of this monthly atmospheric conditions, the year is divided into seasons. The year is divided into seasons. You know that seasons are formed to the revolution of the earth. Revolution of the earth. You know what is rotation, what is revolution. I am not explaining. Rotation, just I can show you what is rotation. Rotation is like this. Rotation. Okay. Revolution. Revolution is revolving around an object. Revolving around an object, that is called a revolution. Revolving around. The revolving around an object here means sun. Revolving around the sun, that is a revolution. And rotating on its axis, that is called a rotation. Rotation and revolution, actually there are a lot of changes. Due to this, lot of changes happens. Due to revolution, only seasons are formed due to revolution. But in the rotation, the time changes. Time changes due to rotation only. You know that 24 hours. Within 24 hours, one rotation that happens within 24 hours. But a revolution, forms the seasons. Revolution that forms the seasons. Revolutions that forms the seasons. Revolution like this. Revolution. Rotation like this. So rotation and revolution that helps to change the time as well as the seasons. I hope that you understood rotation as well as revolution. On the basis of the monthly atmospheric conditions, the year is divided into seasons. The year is divided into seasons. How seasons are formed? Seasons are formed due to the revolution of the earth. So when we study about the seasons, first that is winter season in India. I am explaining about the seasons in India, not the world, about India. First one is winter season. Seasons. First one, winter season. First season, that is winter season. What is that season? Winter season. Second one, you can see that is summer season. You know that is summer season. Second one is summer season. And the third one, first one winter season, second one summer season, and the third one you know that is the rainy season. That is rainy season. I am explaining about the seasons in India. Okay, that is rainy seasons. So which are the three seasons in India? Winter season, summer season, rainy season. Children like which season? Summer season, because they can enjoy holidays. But now, due to pandemic, everyday holiday. So you are enjoying now. You are enjoying much better. Yes, I hope that you are feeling well. Stay home, feeling better. Yes. So the seasons we can divide into winter season, summer season, and rainy seasons. The climate of India, if you calculate about the climate of India, is described as the monsoon type. The climate of India, we can call it as monsoon type. What is that? Monsoon type. Sometimes your parents may say that our climate is determined due to monsoon. As per the availability of monsoon only, there will be a lot of changes that happen in our seasons. What is monsoon? That is the word monsoon type of climate. Monsoon, the word monsoon. There is word monsoon that is derived. That is word monsoon that is derived from the Arabic word mawsim. Arabic word, you know, Arabic word mawsim. The word monsoon is derived from which word? Arabic word. Arabic word. What is that word mawsim? Arabic word mawsim. Monsoon that is derived from the word mawsim, that is an Arabic word. What is the meaning of this word mawsim? The Arabic word which literally means season. Which literally means season. Meaning of this word mawsim. What is the meaning of this word? Season. What is the meaning of this word season? Okay. So once again I will explain this Indian climate. We can call it as which climate? That is monsoon type climate. Monsoon is derived from which word? Arabic word. Which word? Mawsim. What is the meaning of that word? Season. Okay. Indian climate is which type of season? Mawsim type of climate. Which type of climate? That is mawsim or monsoon type of climate. Mawsim. What is the meaning of the word mawsim? Mawsim, the Arabic word means season. It means season. It means seasons. Okay. I hope that you understood about mawsim or monsoon. How these words comes? What is the meaning of that? You understood it very well. In certain places, there is you know that in certain places there is a wide difference between day and night. There is a wide difference between day and night in certain places. In certain places, there will be a wide difference between day and night. Sometimes your parents may say, sometimes old people may say, day is long, night is shorter. Like that you heard about. Your parents may say, or old people may say like this, between day and night temperatures. The temperatures that day and night temperatures, there will be a difference that may happen. There will be difference happens in day and night, especially when I explained about especially the deserted regions. When you calculated about Thar desert, which is the biggest desert in India. Thar desert. Where is Thar desert located? Thar desert is located in Rajasthan. Which is the biggest desert? Thar desert. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Sahara desert. Where is it? Africa. So first of all, try to understand that in deserted regions there are a lot of changes that happens in the day and night. Daytime and nighttime the temperature may be varied or differences may happen in day and night. In this Thar desert, the day temperature may rise to 50 degrees Celsius. Look, 50 degrees Celsius differences are there. 50 degrees. Look, this temperature in the Thar desert, 50 degrees Celsius. That is in the daytime. 50 degrees Celsius. Daytime 50 degrees Celsius. You can see the daytime 50 degrees Celsius. High temperature. In the Thar desert, 50 degrees Celsius. In the daytime, 50 degrees Celsius. High temperature. You can see high temperature in this Thar desert, which is the biggest desert, Thar desert. In this desert areas, you can see that 50 degrees Celsius in the day temperature. 50 degrees Celsius. At the same time, night temperature. What about the night? When it comes at night, the same day itself. At night times, temperature may falls down to 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius. What it shows? It shows that there will be a wide differences that happen in temperature. There will be a wide difference that happen in temperature in these deserted regions. During daytime, 50 degrees Celsius that happen. At the same time, night time 15 degrees that goes down, that falls down to 15 degrees Celsius. Look, these variations that you can see. See, there is a wide variations between day and night. Daytime 50 degrees Celsius. At the same time, when the night comes 15 degrees Celsius, it means that it's very cold and very hot. Day will be hot in the desert region. desert areas, daytime will go at 50 degrees Celsius. You cannot imagine. So, but in the night time it falls down to 15 degrees Celsius. It means cold areas. That will be very cold. So, day and night, if you calculate the temperature may decrease and temperature may vary. Variation in stages that may happen. In the desert, the night temperature may rise to 15 degrees Celsius and then drop down to 15 degrees Celsius at night. On the other hand, otherwise I can say, on the other hand, otherwise there is hardly any differences in day and night temperature in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Why? At the same time, this is in Rajasthan, not Rajasthan. Rajasthan, this kind of changes happen. Rajasthan, Thar Desert. Rajasthan, Thar Desert, these changes that happened there. At the same time, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, or in Kerala, if you take our example, in Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there is no much difference. Like this, no differences are there. We did not feel any kinds of such differences. But in Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar Islands, there is not much differences in day and night. But in the deserted regions, in Thar Desert, that look 15 degrees Celsius at the day. At the same time, 15 degrees Celsius at night. Falls down. The temperature that falls down. We cannot cope up with this situation. We cannot mitigate with this situation of living in Thar Desert. Living in Thar Desert is very difficult for us because daytime very cold, night time very cold. So this is extreme climate. So we cannot imagine such a type of climate. But when we consider about Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands, there is not much wider difference that happened in Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands. There is not much difference. Small difference, slight difference happen. Not much difference happened in Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I hope that you understood about this much. Once again, I will explain about what is climate, what is weather. Climate is the average, sum total of the average weather conditions over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. That is called climate. What is weather? Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere on an area, over an area for at any point of time or short period of time, at any point of time. It means that the changes that happens when I am talking to you at this moment also, the weather may change. Now sunny climate. At any point of time, the weather may change. The weather may change at any point of time. When morning time, sometimes we may forget to take umbrella and we feel that sunny day. But evening rain may occur. That is weather. Because at any point of time, what will happen at any point of time, the weather may change. But climate is not like that. Climate is the sum total of weather condition over a large area for a long period of more than 30 years. That is called climate. So it's a difference. You try to understand what is climate, what is weather. Weather and climate is not the same. Once again, I will tell you, the weather and climate is different. Differentiate on the examination, we ask to differentiate between weather, differentiate between weather and climate, and then you can write these sentences. Next, we are studying about the elements of weather and climate. So you know that there are a lot of reasons that influence weather and climate. First one is temperature. If temperature increases or decreases, that will change. Definitely that will change the climate as well as weather, influence the weather and climate. Then atmospheric pressure, if it is high temperature or low temperature, whatever may be, definitely the weather and the climate may change. Next is wind, blowing of the wind. I told you one example that from the Arabian Ocean, the wind that blows towards Kerala, that time what will happen along with this wind, that the cloud, moody climate or dark clouds that enter Kerala, and due to this pressure, heavy rain may occur in Kerala. And sometimes that is not the season of rain. Also that rain may occur due to this wind blowing of this wind. That also changes weather and climate. Another reason I told you that is humidity, high humidity or low humidity. Whatever may be, definitely what will happen, definitely the climate and precipitation. What is precipitation? You studied about water cycle, the importance of water cycle. Precipitation, it means that rainfall. As per the rainfall, the temperature may change. Climate as well as the weather may change due to the precipitation. These are the elements of weather and elements of weather and climate. Now after that we discussed about on the basis of the there will be different seasons. Then that I told you that our climate is monsoon type of climate. Why we will call it as monsoon type? As per the monsoon only our climate will change. So monsoon is derived from the word mousin. Which word? It is Arabic word. What is the meaning of this Arabic word? Season. Season. The Arabic word mousin, it means season. That we discussed. Then afterwards I explained about that day and night there are a lot of changes that happen. So for example, Rajasthan, the Thar desert in Rajasthan, you know it very well, which is the biggest desert in India, that is Thar desert in India. There are a lot of changes that happen in Rajasthan. At the daytime 50 degrees Celsius, you know, the extreme hot at that time in the daytime 50 degrees Celsius. At the same moment night comes up, night falls, night comes up, these temperatures goes to 15 degrees. What a difference that happened in that same day. What a difference happened. That happened in this deserted area, but in Kerala as well as in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, this will not happen. Summer climate is not much. Slight difference only happens in day and night compared to Thar desert in Rajasthan. The Rajasthan Thar desert, when we compare about the Thar desert in Rajasthan, you know that 15 degrees Celsius that falls to 15 degrees Celsius. So what a changes that what an extreme changes that happened in this time. This definitely we cannot tolerate. That is why people are sparsely populated in Thar desert. Thickly populated, which is areas people are thickly populated, the densely populated, that is in plain areas. Plain areas the best suitable for living, but other areas only sparsely populated. I hope that you understood it very well. What is climate? What is weather? What are the elements of weather and climate? Next we will discuss about which climate is in India, Indian climate is which type of climate, then which Arabic word monsoon is comes from which Arabic word, what is the meaning of this Arabic word, then the different seasons like winter season, summer season and rainy season. First of all, we can study about these seasons. The climate of India, the climate already I told you that climate of that is monsoon type climate. In certain places there is a wide difference that I have already told. Next I am going to describe about precipitation. So I am going to wind up the lesson climate. What is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of the weather condition over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. What is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere for at any point of time. State of the atmosphere at any point of time. Now I am talking to you. This time also this state of the atmosphere may change. That is weather. That is weather. That is the difference between weather and climate. Next I explain about the elements of weather and climate. What are the things, that elements that change the climate as well as the weather. Afterwards I told you about the three seasons: winter season, the summer season and rainy season. Then I explained which type of climate we are having and which where this where it comes. Then the differences in the Thar desert, what are the differences happen in day and night in the desert, but in Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands, what are the changes happen. Next class I will, next topic and next class I will explain about the precipitation. Thank you children.